Well, hello everyone. Different face here, Sean Donovan from Steam Executive, and I'm here with Mahesh and we're going to talk about something that's really exciting for me. I'm sure you're excited too, which is our new online courses. People who are on the website might already have seen the ones we've had to date, the strengths workshops and the challenge workshop, but really excited with the new True Blessings workshops, which are based on your book there, Mahesh. Do you want to just tell us a little bit about it?
Yes, Sean. True Blessings book I authored almost like a 10 years ago in 2000, early 2012, and this book is a self-help book. It talks about how we can live authentic life, and authentic life in the sense that normally we are like a live day-to-day life as a autopilot, like a out of our habits and with the same thoughts and feelings, and with same thoughts and feelings our mind is conditioned with those type of things, and then we are trying to find different results. While true blessings are mainly based on your 8 inner callings, and it has got a um, it has got a different uh, aspects of the life journey that people coming in our life, situation and circumstances changing in our life, like a all different seasons come for a good reasons, like a winter comes with winter fruits and summer comes with summer fruits. And so this True Blessings 12-day challenge program, which is developed and designed by Steam Executive, is really making people more authentic, and with authenticity they can live life of freedom, like a free from fear, and a staunch faith, um, like a self trust and trust in others, and they can realize all their dreams. That is the main outcome.
What I particularly like, Mahesh, is the way it's broken up into different aspects of your life. So, for example,
Yeah.
the day 9 of the challenge is family and parenting.
Yeah.
Okay, so that particularly is important for young couples or even older couples, perhaps. Talks about parenting. One thing that really struck me, which I think is a great little statement, is that you become a mother or a father when a child is born, but you become a parent in raising the child well, you know.
Yeah.
So I thought that was a really good insight.
Yeah.
There's things like that that are in the
Yeah.
book, and that we built into the online program. So people can go online now and start doing the 12-day challenge.
Yeah.
And excitingly, in a couple of months' time, the full set of 12 will be available as a single package.
Single package.
So at the moment, people can do them individually, but as a single package, people will be able to sign up, get a bit of a discount on the individual price for each workshop, but
Yeah.
by packaging it up, they'll get it a bit cheaper. And the new one, which we're adding soon as well.
Yeah, our new program is titled with a flourish, making life great. Now, one thing is there, by changing the neuroplasticity with a conscious intention. So, like we are in the moment, and we normally like a act or behave proactively rather than the reactively, and also by stopping the procrastination. Our new program, which is Flourish, Making Life Great, is a absolute grandeur program from Steam Executive. It is a most powerful program in today's main challenge is globalization and a post-pandemic um, uncertainty, like in the future. And the beautiful things about this program is we take you into a reality. See, all the time we talk about personality traits. All strength assessments are all personality trait. While STEAM Executive, this unique program, making life great, and that is actually our slogan. And we want everyone to participate and take this journey because it is a fantastic program, like a truly it will make your life on a different level. But the but the most beautiful thing is that instead of personality traits, here we talk about person in reality. So it looks similar as a personality, but person in reality. So basically the whole program starts with a in a 6 different parts, and we have got 49 lessons and so many learning material. It's a every day you can, step by step, it takes you from wherever you are with your self-limiting beliefs or fear or anxiety or a kind of stress, and these are the normal things, okay, like everyone feels that. But but you can't flourish your life with all these things. So these are the obstacles. So this program will make your journey uh, with by realizing your dreams. You will know lot more about yourself, and you will accept who you are rather than people have labeled you or people call you that you are this and you are that instead of that. And when you really find out, and once you accept who you are, and if you then start living authentic life. Now only authentic life, the people who live, they have a experience of abundance. And in my True Blessings book, there is a one of the chapter, I think it's a chapter 10. It says life means abundance. That means, and we are always talking about something lacking, something improving, something yet to achieve. You should understand the meaning of abundance. So our programs are fantastically designed and 100% proven, like a, you can't go wrong. So, and if you have a passion to live, not just to exist, but to really live, because most people exist in this world. If you really want to live this passionate life, purposeful life, the life you are really born for, then please look for the announcement. It's a coming soon. It's a program not to be missed. Okay, I would just recommend everyone who has got a dreams, and remember, the dreams are whispers from the soul. You don't get dreams just like that. So, and your soul is having all that power, okay, which is untapped. Okay, so go for it. This is the only program which can serve you feeling confident, courageous, creative, feeling joyous, much happier rather than whinging or complaining about other people or other situations. And in today's challenging times, STEAM Executive Flourish, making life great, is a way to go.
And you're living proof. So, thanks, Mahesh. That's terrific. Now, I'm really excited, as I say, about our online courses. As an individual, you can go online today, register, do the courses. There's free material on the website also. But as organisations, particularly not-for-profits, community groups, charity organisations, and ethical corporates, I invite you to contact us. We'll get one of our sales agents to go and have a chat with you, because we have 2 packages which are ideal for small organisations. So our small organisation for 25 users, have a chat with our sales rep about that. What we do is you have your up to 25 people register and for a huge discount, isn't it?
Yes.
Enormous discount. We give all of those people access to all of the programs. Can't ask fairer than that.
I would just add one thing, that all the programs STEAM executives are offering just as a with a scholarship word, because it's a heavily discounted. So it is just a price covered for the development and maintenance. And remember, any future upgrades are all free to access, provided you renew your subscription every year.
And for larger organisations, up to 1,000 users, basically you have full access, your own website that you can customise to your own branding and look and feel, and perhaps even add on your own things that you want for your people,
Yes.
for your staff.
Yeah.
So there's two great options there, and per person that works out even cheaper.
Yes.
So, you can't ask fairer than that. So what did the Knock and Kirby man used to say? Bring your money with you. Bye now.
Bye now.